baby. Yeah, you keep driving, you blonde there. Rush hour and snow don't mix. Oh man, the wind gusts are very, very bad. Very bad indeed. Wow, this is really bad. Look at this. Ooh, it's not supposed to be that jammed. Well, there you go, STM. More junk not able to make the grade. This is a serious grade up here on Côte-des-Neiges Boulevard. And there's another one coming up here in this terrible snowstorm. It's not even close to being over. I mean, I'd give you a push, but you know, it's only one person. And we'll continue to monitor these events unfolding. Sport classique, tabarnak! Junk. Here comes junk number 2. Let's hope he jackknifes or spins the son of a bitch out, you know? Because like I said in my first video, this junk, I revel in this shit. This is the only time I filmed the scrap. If you don't know what I mean by scrap, it's these STM buses from 2009 and up. Crazy. Look at that. I can't even stay here. It's so bad. Jesus. Outstanding. Wow, it really is slippery, even for front-wheel drive. Huh. Pretty bad. And it amazes me how people come to live here, you know, from warm countries, even though they're less privileged, but I mean, like, you know, Christ, half the year it's almost an ice rink in this fucking place, you know? Don't get me wrong, I'm a proud Canadian born and raised, but Jesus, this is the worst winter we've ever had. It has to be. We've broken I don't know how many records, you know? Shit. Yeah, it's something. Yeah, go power stroke. Yeah, man. Yeah, no lack of action around here. Right here on Côte Boulevard. And straight ahead is the Montreal General Hospital. And that's why you see so many ambulances around here. I've got yet to get one responding yet tonight.